In this lecture, we are going to learn the answer for the question I said in the previous lecture. That is, why always the first search result doesn't mingle with the factors that we see in the second to 30th one. Also, you are going to learn the importance of H1, H2 and meta description tags for the user experience in your site. First, let's see the uniqueness of number one search result. You could have seen that the first search result has got a lesser percentage of H1, H2 and meta description existence, but still it ranks first, isn't it? This is because of the term called brand factor. You can also refer it to domain SEO visibility. For example, when a similar content is posted by a high authority website and a new website, Google gives the higher ranking for the higher authority website. Higher authority refers to better SEO domain visibility. Since the average usage of these H1, H2 and meta description tags are very high, I do recommend you to use these heading tags as well as the meta description tags in your post to get higher ranking in the search results. Now let's come to the answer for how this heading tags and meta description increases the user experience in your site. I have already shown you that the meta description in the search results has got the keyword AMD AM4 socket. So it induces the user to click my search result compared to any other search result which doesn't have that particular keyword. So it increases the CTR, that is, click-through rate. But once the user clicks the search result and comes to my post, if he doesn't find anything related to that keyword, then he may bounce back to the search result page immediately, or he may close the browser altogether, which will increase the bounce rate of my post. Alternatively, if you want to reduce the bounce rate, you should include only the related and optimized keywords for your post in the meta description. This is how it increases the user experience by reducing the bounce rate. Also, when you segregate the content with heading 1 and heading 2 tags, it's easier for the reader to read and navigate. Also, it structures your post to the reader in such a way that he can directly go to the required information section. For example, in this post, I have given two different heading 2s, that is, specification of AMD Zen processor and features of Summit Ridge platform or Bristol Ridge platform. Here, if any user specifically wants to read about AMD Zen processor specification, he can straight away move to this section and read about the specification of Zen processor. Whereas, if he is interested in features of Summit Ridge or Bristol Ridge platform, he can directly come here to read this segment. In this way, you can help the user to find his required information easily and effectively. This is how you are increasing the user experience as well as you are getting higher search engine rankings in search results. I have used a term called domain SEO visibility twice in this lecture, isn't it? Let me tell you what is domain SEO visibility. Or let's see the importance of keyword in the domain name itself in the next lecture.